Hello everyone. Today we're going to make our very first Python program. To do this, we're going to simply use print. What print does is print a string to the screen. Now inside the parentheses we pass whatever string or other variables or arguments that we want to print out. As you can see, after writing that statement and pressing enter, it displays welcome to the screen. Now, in older versions of Python, in version 2.7 of Python, the syntax is a little different. This is written like this. Print, no parentheses, welcome. I can't type today, sorry about that. I'll get better, I promise. So as you can see, we wrote with the old syntax, but it didn't work in the new version, as it says missing parentheses in call to print. So that concludes this tutorial. We successfully made our first program where it prints welcome to the screen. I hope you'll join us next time where we'll be talking about data types.